guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I am playing Roblox as my original avatar. This is my original avatar except for the necklace. You see the necklace here? I just don't want to remove it. My avatar is always going to have it now. But yeah, I'm just playing as my original avatar, so let's go. I'm playing Tile Top. This throws me September of 2019 vibes. Please ignore the background. I hope you guys cannot hear it. But crap. No, I died. Oh. Okay. Jumpy. Jumpy, jump. Jumpy, jump. Jumpy, jump. Jump. Jumpy, jump. Jumpy, jumpy. I know that song's pretty annoying. I just like to sing it because we're playing Tile Top, and basically all you do is jump. The only time I've ever really died, everyone's still on stage 1. Oh my god, I'm on stage 3. Are you kidding me? Alright, let's keep on going. I see somebody. I don't really care that much. Yeah, this necklace that on me is permanently a part of my avatar now. So that's why I didn't remove it from my avatar, because this was my original avatar but the necklace, and I just died already, so yeah. Where is everybody? Hello? I don't get why they didn't include the other people on this. I mean, I feel like, I'm not even sure, but I have to play with my best friend. So tomorrow I have to charge my old phone because I use my old phone to play now. And I also talked to him now because he does not have Instagram anymore, so I can't do it from there. So yeah. Okay. Oh shoot, there's 2 now. Oh my god, my screen just lagged for a minute. Oh jeez. Okay, we're here. Perfection, okay. Let's get going. Alright. So, yeah, I'm just playing as my original avatar. In the next video, it will be back to my current Roblox avatar. I know my original avatar did not have the necklace, but as I said, this necklace is permanently a part of my avatar now. When I switch to a new avatar, I will keep the necklace because it's permanently a part of me now. So far, this is the only account that I've had the longest. I'm almost about to have it for like 3 years. Well, King Jockey 08 is the one I've had the longest, because I did not have King Jockey 01 for that long. This is the current Roblox avatar that the only account I've ever lost. Well, I didn't lose King Jockey 010. I just don't want to log back onto that account. Because this account's way better. I got Robux stuff on here. It's just way cooler and better than my old one, King Jockey 010. Oh jeez, I almost fell off. But I don't think you've ever seen me record with King Jockey 010. They're running upstairs. Hello. Oh my god, balls! Okay. I'm nowhere near the mic. I'm really nowhere near my mic. Are you guys getting old me vibes? Before all these like things, like these like drama and Roblox starts? Is this old avatar getting you guys old vibes? It sure is getting me. It sure is me. It sure is for me. Though I do not have the necklace, and I did not have the necklace back in my old avatar because I did not have Robux, so I couldn't buy that. But it still was good enough. I keep dying. This is literally a tile top obby. Okay, I finally passed it. Hello. Did he just die? I think he died. Ah! Wait, what? How? I was like, how am I not dead? I'm guessing it was a little glitch. Okay, the glitch hasn't happened yet. I'm going backwards. Yeah. People can tell I have Robux because of the necklace, apparently. Because I don't think anybody really cares that much about my avatar. Yeah, if you guys were wondering, this was my old avatar. It's been my mostly avatar for about as long as I can remember. It's every day, ever since I made my first ever Roblox account. It was a boy for sure. But of course, I might change this account to a boy, but so it would fit me better. But I just like this girl account. That's why I just like to be a girl. So yeah, you can buy the boy package for free. That's what I did. Oh my goodness. This is like Tiles Hop for sure. It's so bright. It hurts my eyes. I hope. Well, if I say that, then I will. So I'm not gonna say that. If I don't chant "Don't die," then the less chance I will die. Trees try to ignore the background. Wait, what is this? Oh. I guess I'm just gonna turn it off. That probably music's copyrighted, and I'm glad my audio's muted, so you guys won't hear it. The more I don't chant I hope I don't die, the less chance I will die, because if you chant don't die, then you're just gonna get into the chance of dying. Like, you see how I did right there? Wait, I'm just gonna say, don't die, don't die. Alright, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna do this. Don't die, don't die, don't die, please don't die. And then I just die. So that's the less you say that word, the less chance of you dying. The less chance of you dying. Yeah, if I'm playing Geometry Dash, I don't chant "Please don't die" because hello, it'll make me die. It can make you an easier chance of dying. So I'm just gonna stop talking about it and talking about like how you guys been doing. When's the last time I've uploaded a Roblox video? It was down the game was completely down yesterday. I'm so glad it's back up. This one was quicker than the one back in October. Cause it was down for like 3 whole days. I was getting angry. We all were getting angry. I had to play Minecraft, which I was getting bored of. So I'm glad Roblox was back up. because it's the only game I ever really want to play. Minecraft is cool, but it's just not really as good as as Roblox is. Also, Roblox is older than Minecraft. It's been played by more. Minecraft is way younger than Roblox because it was made. Yeah, if you ever seen, yeah, it was made after Roblox. Like I feel like a couple years after Roblox was made. Ugh! I keep dying. Literally keep dying, and I have like 10 minutes left to record it, and I only have like, I'm in 10 minutes of this video still on the stage. Also, my face cam, I think it just stopped working because it just starts freezing, and then after that, it just doesn't pop on every time I try, so I'm just not going to I'm going to stop using face cam for a bit, let it reset. No! You know what, guys, I'm just going to end off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Bye!